we're just cute to see the Coke truck, aren't we, Darcy? Got some free Coke. Laura got one, Darcy got one. I didn't get one for some reason. Just in my face. Yeah, just spin the camera around. Coke truck's just there. I'm not sure what we're queuing for. To have a photo taken on the Coke truck, I think. Yeah, we'll let you know shortly. Broken it. Put a little thing at the top.
Know how this works? Now put your hand out there a bit fast, a bit fondle. Pick up one token. Tell me what it says. And apologize to me, love.
Yeah, that's the only can. One, bit to each way.
Oh, the magical Gryffindor.
Good looking.
No rush, Das. It's fine.
One big fat apology.
Das, go have a go as well.
Put your hand right at the bottom.
Oop, oop. Oop. You want a bauble?
You want a bauble? Daddy here gets lucky all the time, doesn't he?
You won.
Yeah. You want a bauble? You want a bauble, Das? I nearly cheated then because I thought I had one. I thought I had one, but I had like 3. But I didn't look at them. But cheers, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Got a little bauble, Darcy. Liverpool's that way, but we're here. It's very shiny, isn't it, Darcy? I think out's over there, is it? So we won a Christmas bauble. We're out into this Coke truck. Darcy's going to open it, see what it looks like. I'm hoping it's got the Santa on it, Darcy. Coke Santa. And then open the Coke bauble. Let's have a look at what it looks like. Don't drop it.
It's not glass.
So that. Oh, that's quite nice. It is glass. Yeah, it's glass one. Thanks, yeah. It's quite cool, isn't it? Free.
You've been watching Coasting with the Joneses. Please like, share, subscribe, and most of all, stay awesome.